Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Welcome to the REI Classroom. My name is Dmitriy Fomichenko. I'm the president and founder of Sense Financial Services, and I will be your host today. And the topic of my discussion today is how to shelter over $100,000 of your income from taxes.
This REI Classroom real estate lesson is sponsored by virtualstaffnow.com.
And you can do that by utilizing self-directed solo 401k plan. A self-directed solo 401k plan is a QRP, a qualified retirement plan, designed for those people who are self-employed or own a small business. And one of the great benefits that self-directed solo 401k plan offers, in addition to being a self-directed plan and self-directed retirement account, which allows you to invest in assets that are outside of the Wall Street, outside of the conventional investments, stocks and mutual funds. You can do real estate, trust deeds, notes, private lending, and so forth. But today I want to talk to you about one of the aspects of the solo 401k. It's a high limit on the contributions, and that is a great tax sheltering strategy for many of my clients. Solo 401k plan allows you to shelter up to $53,000 per year per plan participant. So if you own a business, and today I'm going to specifically talk about a husband and wife team. So if you're a husband and wife working together in your business, and an example I'm going to use as a real estate agent. Many of my clients are real estate agents. So if you're a real estate agent and you're working with your spouse, and your spouse may or may not be a real estate agent, your spouse might be just helping you in the business, maybe from the accounting standpoint or marketing standpoint, or your spouse might be a real estate agent too. That's very common, where both husband and wife are a real estate agent. Maybe one of the spouses even a broker. So this way, then you have your own small business or as a real estate agent or broker, and you can have your small business adopt a qualified retirement plan or a solo 401k. And as a plan participant, you're able to contribute up to $53,000 into your retirement plan. And this is all tax-deferred income. And if your spouse is also involved in the business, your spouse can contribute additional $53,000. So if you combine the two, that's over $100,000. So think about this. If you're a husband and wife and you're making, say, $250,000 combined in income, if you're able to shelter up to $100,000 from your income, what is that going to do for you? Think about the tax impact. Now, I'm not a CPA, I'm not an accountant, but I do understand basic numbers. So if you're making $250,000, instead of paying taxes on $250,000, you're going to lower your taxable income by $100,000, let's say in this example. So your net taxable income is going to be $150,000 instead of $250,000. So what that's going to do to your tax bracket? It's going to drop it significantly. Instead of being in maybe a 40% tax bracket, you're probably going to go below 30% tax bracket. So not only are you going to pay lower taxes on your amount, but you're going to be paying that on a smaller amount. So the difference is going to be in tens of thousands of dollars. So instead of paying that to Uncle Sam, you can take those funds and you can actually shelter it into your own retirement account. So Solo 401k is an awesome vehicle to use, not only to gain control over your retirement funds and invest in something that you understand and you can control, because I'm sure you will agree with me. Stock market is not something that you and I can control. We cannot control that. We cannot control what's going to happen with the stock market tomorrow, a week from now, a month from now, a year from now. We can guess, we can do certain things to maybe minimize our risk, but ultimately you and I, we cannot control the decisions that those companies that you invest in are going to make, the principles of those companies are going to make. But when you take your retirement dollars and invest into a piece of property, for example, you have control where you're going to invest. You have control what kind of improvements you're going to do to the property. You can control the timing. You can control the tenants that are going to be occupying the property. So there is a lot more control. So again, that's one aspect of self-directed retirement account. And in addition to that, the ability to minimize your taxes by sheltering a large portion of your income into the solo 401k is an awesome tool. I think everyone should be looking at how to minimize your taxes, especially if your income is growing, if your business is doing well. You definitely should utilize the tools that are available to you so that you can put those funds into your own retirement account instead of giving to the Uncle Sam. Well, that's my tip for today. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you next time.
VirtualStaffNow.com is the leading virtual assistant provider for real estate investors. As busy real estate investors, there's nothing more valuable than our time. And VirtualStaffNow.com not only helps you find the right real estate virtual assistant for your business, they train them on an ongoing basis, manage them daily to make sure they're staying productive and effective. And in the event they're not the right fit or need to be replaced, they handle that for you too. Whether you need 1 or 100 virtual assistants for your team, start the process right now at VirtualStaffNow.com. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of FlipNerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at FlipNerd.com. Please check out the FlipNerd family of real estate investing shows, where we host 4 great ongoing shows at FlipNerd.com/shows, or simply search for FlipNerd in the iTunes Store.